kitchen. Do you want to do something with those overripe bananas at home? Let's make some banana chocolate chip cupcakes with the perfect frosting.
For the cupcakes we'll need flour, baking soda and baking powder, powdered sugar, room temperature unsalted butter, vanilla essence, milk, chocolate and bananas. For the frosting we'll need whipping cream and vanilla essence. Chocolate sprinkles are optional. Now let's start making our cupcakes. Into a cup of plain flour, we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of baking powder and a half a cup of chopped chocolate. For the wet ingredients, we'll take 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now we'll beat this until it's fluffy. Now we'll take 2 bananas and mash them with a fork. Into the butter mixture, we'll add half of the dry ingredients and a little bit of milk. For this recipe, we're using half a cup. Now we'll add the mashed bananas and fold it in. Now we'll repeat the process by adding the dry ingredients and milk. Now that our batter is ready, we'll preheat the oven at 160 degrees for 10 minutes. Now we'll grease the cupcake tins with oil. And now we'll line them. If you don't have cupcake liners, you can grease the cupcake tin really well and put it directly. Now we'll scoop in the batter. Make sure you tap the tin to avoid air bubbles. Now we'll put in the cupcakes for about 30 to 35 minutes. Now for the frosting, we'll take a cup of whipping cream. Mine already has sugar in it. If yours doesn't, you can add sugar. Now let's beat it. We'll also add about a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now we'll place the piping tip into the piping bag. Now we'll place the piping bag onto a glass and scoop in the frosting. Now we'll tie the piping bag and place it in the fridge. After the cupcakes have cooled, we'll frost them.